Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to edit macro light filter in Lightroom Mobile.
Here is example photos before and after using this filter.
So, let's start editing. First go to the light. Contrast 50. Highlights -14. Shadows 20. Whites -29. And blacks -21. Go to curve. Follow this step. And done. Next go to color. Vibrance -21. And saturation -9. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Hue 28. And saturation 10. Next go to orange. Hue 4. Saturation -49. And luminance 14. Next go to yellow. Hue -78. And saturation -86. Next go to green. Hue -100, and saturation -100. Next go to aqua, hue 100. Next go to blue, hue -54. And saturation -61. And done. Next go to effect. Dehaze 18. Vignette -27. Next go to split tone. Follow this step. And finish.
Now let's try to copy this preset to another photos.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And see you in next